Welcome to rigorous training in longitudinal data science, Radiance. Welcome to this Radiance presentation on information governance for users of administrative data. This session covers the following. What is information governance? Administrative data. Accessing administrative data for research, and the 5 SAFEs framework. Information governance can be thought of as a framework for handling not only personal and sensitive information, but also any information in a robust and transparent manner. Information governance means applying confidentiality and security measures where appropriate, and operating to high ethical and quality standards. Information governance is necessary and should be considered across the full data lifespan: recording, using, holding, sharing, and obtaining data. Information governance applies particularly to administrative data. Administrative data are data collected from individuals as they are accessing a service, for example, for health, education, social care, tax payments, or benefits. These data are not collected for research purposes, but for reasons such as management, accounting, or measuring performance, amongst others. Administrative data are sometimes known as routinely collected data. In the Nordic countries, administrative data are referred to as national registries. Administrative data frequently cover all users of a particular service. For example, all users of UK National Health Service hospitals. To obtain access to administrative data for research purposes, an application to the data provider is often required. Data providers include government departments, health providers, insurers, or statistical agencies. Such application involves addressing aspects related to information governance. That is, the application should demonstrate that the intended purpose of the research will benefit members of the public or public services, and outweighs the risk of releasing individual level data. This aspect is particularly important in administrative data research, where often the individuals have not specifically consented to using their data. Through the privacy notice, however, individuals are able to find out what their data are being used for. Additional approval or approvals for identifiable data, for example, if to be obtained for data linkage across different databases, may be needed. Importantly, the process needs to be well planned ahead, since it will take time and money. Using administrative data for research in accordance with information governance principles means adhering to the 5 SAFEs framework. The framework was originally developed by the Office for National Statistics for England and Wales. It ensures administrative data can be used safely for research to support the public interest and by analysts who have training in information governance. This framework is frequently applied by many more administrative data providers to ensure research can take place with minimal risk of disclosure of individuals' personal data. The 5 SAFEs are as follows. First, safe data. Data minimization is applied. This means that an individual should only access data that are relevant to answering the research question and only the variables needed for analysis. Second, safe people. Staff working on the data should have attended training on information governance and data security. Third, safe projects. Research should be for the public good. for example, to improve public health or reduce inequalities in educational outcomes. And the research should be approved by data owners. Fourth, safe settings. Data need to be accessed via secure environments, for example, trusted research environments. Fifth and finally, safe outputs. Outputs are screened to avoid individual disclosure, for example, small number suppression in tables and graphs. In summary, administrative data are not collected for research purposes, and frequently consent for research has not been obtained. This is why information governance, a framework for keeping data safe, is important. The 5 safes are adopted by many data providers to ensure data are kept safe, whilst being used for transparent purposes for the public good. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website www.radiance.org.uk.